I've been calling out to you. You don't care to answer my dial. Light just found my clouds and broke through. Don't you bother answering now. Don't you bother answering now. I've been down.
I'm in your phone, that's heartless. Don't answer less, he dying right. You heard they might sign him now. You tryna type like I'm your type. Bless your little heart, miss. I remember everything. I moved on to better things. You can't get no wedding ring from me. I ain't 16. You asked me to stay and I told you I wait. Done passing the blame, I'ma own my mistake. I fell for the trap, got hip and fell back. Now you snapping your neck cause you heard about me. Oh yeah.
I ain't stressed about your text, don't care at all about your call. Just to make me feel small, chalk it up, it's your loss. If you hit me collect, I ain't paying no charge.
I think the one that I wanted was one of these two, but I don't remember, but I literally don't know what they're for, but I know they have to do with their acne, and that's kind of what I've been trying really hard to like. I've been trying really hard to take care of my skin, but it's kind of hard because I don't care. But yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. We need my phone.
Yeah, where's your phone? Okay, so today's Thursday, right?
Thursday the 28th.
Yeah, we had work and Emily's moving out of her house, so I decided I was gonna help her, but we didn't get that much done. We only got like...
We got hungry, and then we went downstairs,
and we watched SpongeBob.
Basically.
Yeah, that's all we did.
My room's still a mess, just like my life. Just kidding, anyways. So, what are we...
We're gonna do like a tag, just to get to know anything. Us. That's so weird.
Alright, and then Control Alt Delete.
I don't have one.
Mine is Anne.
Drama.
Choir, I guess.
I did that in the 6th grade, and then I moved, and then I like got out of that class because I wanted to be with the tough girls, and then I did weight training instead.
Oh, maybe yoga. Either yoga or choir. I took yoga in high school too. Like soda or coffee or
water. I love water. Love water.
I'm gonna say coffee or bubble tea. It's hella funny because I work at both places. Okay.
True.
I don't have one. I listen to too many songs, to be honest.
I think it's one of J. Cole's like songs, like KOD or something like that. I'm Hispanic, so I don't want something like, no offense to anyone out there who's named this or like they love that name, but I don't want like a super Mexican name, or like I don't want something very common like Jesus.
Emily.
Is that common for Asians?
No, for like Americans. That's like so
yeah.
basic.
Yeah, but like
mine is so basic.
For us it's like Jesus or Maria. Oh, I've done kung fu, gymnastics, tennis, soccer, and swim.
I've done track and I've done cross country.
Dogs.
Love dogs.
I have a blind cocker spaniel.
I want a corgi. I need a corgi in my life.
Light just found my clouds and broke through. Don't you bother answering now. Don't you bother answering now. I've been down.
I'm in your phone, that's heartless. Don't answer less, he dying right. You heard they might sign him now. You tryna type like I'm your type. Bless your little heart, miss. I remember everything. I moved on to better things. You can't get no wedding ring from me. I ain't 16. You asked me to stay and I told you I wait. Done passing the blame, I'ma own my mistake. I fell for the trap, got hip and fell back. Now you snapping your neck cause you heard about me. Oh
I ain't
yeah.
stressed about your text, don't care at all about your call. Just to make me feel small, Chalk it up, it's your loss. If you hit me collect, I ain't paying no charge. I ain't saying I changed, I ain't saying you wrong.
Now I lay down girls who stood me up. I know I'm more than good enough. You can't knock me or keep me down. I know I'm what you think about. Late at night lying next to somebody who hardly gets it going. I bet you'll have regrets one day. I just had the success and pain.
I've been calling out to you. You don't care to answer my dial. Light just found my clouds and broke through. Don't you bother answering now. Don't you bother answering now. I've been down.
Teaching me Shakara, better tower, Dominic. Had to say those names, had to play those games. New team, I don't have to message you or call you. Why? Cause my success has got you acting on you. I'm almost legendary. Miles Davis to your energy. Me and you, different energy. I don't need bad company. So you